And now this guy Bob Livingston, all these guys are from Lubbock, and I don't know what it is about this Lubbock thing, but it seems like we're always opening up for these Lubbock guys. I don't know what that is. It seems like we're just always in Lubbock's shadow, us people from Victoria. I don't like it. I think what it is, Nancy, what do you think? They got less humidity and more UFOs. That's what it is. Now, if you throw Beaumont in there, you got a weird Texas Bermuda Triangle. So, I always thought that Lubbock and Beaumont and Victoria has a large percentage of really interesting eccentrics. And if you get to know anybody from these places, the stories are just out of this world, fantastic. And this is, and so I'd like to ask one of the greatest storytellers from Victoria, my mom, who, by the way, we're very proud of because she's become a voice actress for Nickelodeon. We're very proud of her. So if you ever hear Mama, this is my mom, Polly Lou Livingston, very proud. Polly Lou. Now Polly Lou, if you may not, if you ever see a 2-foot elephant named Tree Trunk, listen real hard on Nickelodeon. Yeah, we're very excited. So, I don't know, Mom, you want to get up and tell this story about
the dog?
My mama and her family, they had bird dogs down in Victoria. And this one dog's name was Brownie. And Mama, would you share this story about how it was that Brownie, your dog, drove your father's car up and down Main Street in Victoria? Would you please tell that story?
Yes!
Hallelujah!
I've had no rehearsal. And as an elephant, it is difficult. Well, let's see.
Yeah, there it is, right there.
Well, it's just that Daddy raised bird dogs, but in Victoria, there are no pens. He just had dogs in the backyard, and they ran all over the neighborhood. I don't think they had even invented leashes. But they always found other dogs to mate with, so we had all kinds of dogs. But Brownie was the perfect purebred, and she had puppies every time she could. I don't know if about the pink was there.
Oh, absolutely. Pink was there.
So, anyway, this wonderful, funny story. We stole Papa's Chevrolet, which was called the Tick. It was an old black Chevrolet. Nobody remembers. They used to kind of be fat, funny cars. And he called it the Tick. You know what that is. What is that passe?
Ticks are out.
But anyway, so my sister got in the back seat and I got on the floor in the front, and we put this old bird dog. She had so many puppies, she was just worn out, you know, behind the steering wheel, and I'd press on the gas and the brakes, and my sister would say, and I guess I had my hand on the steering wheel, she'd say left, right, So we'd go down the street, and poor Papa went to the hospital. He had the flu. He just went to the hospital for everything. And the policeman came up there and said, Mo, they called Daddy Mo, said, Mo, I want to tell you something. I'm sorry you're so sick, but I just got to tell you, you got to stop that goddamn dog from driving there. Well, poor Brownie had so many puppies that her figure was sort of dragging the ground. Elbow. And she was a beautiful hunting dog. I want to tell you, she just was the best. And Daddy had a, should I say the word procedure? Daddy had a pink sateen, that's not satin, it's shiny, Brian made her, that tied across her back. So when she jumped the barbed wire fences to hunt, she was not hurt. stories. Anyway, I just had such a good time being here.
And even off the toilet.
Yeah, I've been on the toilet all these years, Mom.
Dolly Parton, eat your heart out.
Thank God. It's about time.
Well, let's see. Well, how do you top that? That's my mama. So coming from storytelling.